It is a real honor for us to be able to welcome you all today as the opening of this newly rebuilt campus of the ESF Island School. A big thank you to you, Secretary, Wendy and Philip, and all your colleagues in government for the partnership and support over the last few years. We have been working together to tackle head-on many challenges to ensure that ESF Island School becomes what we see today, a place where learning flourishes, where innovation finds a home, and where, most important of all, young men and women become the best they can be.
Congratulations for Island Schools on reaching a milestone on your remarkable journey of achieving excellence. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank ESF for their commitment and contribution to the redevelopment of Island School, as the provision of a world-class education to non-local students is one of the critical components for creating a business-friendly environment and maintaining the international competitiveness of Hong Kong.
After nearly 20-odd years, an impossible project, one that required unprecedented levels of commitment, cooperation, collaboration, but probably most extraordinarily vision, today was brought to fruition.
Today is important. It's when this new campus officially becomes ESF Island School. A school is not just any building project. A school is a place where lives are shaped, where potential is unleashed. So in designing the new school, we've focused on the future. We've created an environment that will foster collaboration, that will bring people together, share ideas. Creativity is woven into the fabric of this building. This new Island School is a world-class home for world-class learning and teaching. Today, we are acknowledging this important milestone. We stand on the shoulders of giants. We've delivered on the vision of all of those who came before us. Thank you for being here to share in this really important day. Thank you.